In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth MIDI to a GarageBand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Bluetooth MIDI and use it in conjunction with GarageBand. To do this, for macOS, you will need to enable Bluetooth MIDI. So go over to System Preferences and access the Bluetooth category. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and now you will be able to pair your Bluetooth MIDI with your Mac. To do this, put it into pairing mode, and as long as Bluetooth is enabled on your system preferences, you will be able to choose to pair it up with the Bluetooth MIDI under the list of available devices. Once your Bluetooth MIDI is properly connected with your Mac, you will be able to launch GarageBand and check the MIDI input. So go over to GarageBand at the top left, access the preferences, and switch over to the audio/MIDI category. Under the MIDI devices tab, ensure that your Bluetooth MIDI device is selected as an input device. And once this is done, you are basically good to go. You just have to make sure that you chose the corresponding MIDI device, and by doing this, you are ready to use it. Alternatively, for iOS or iPadOS, you will be able to go over to the settings, Bluetooth, and once again pair the Bluetooth MIDI device with your iOS or iPadOS. You just need to put it into pairing mode and choose it from the list of available devices, just like you would with on a Mac. Now, once again, launch GarageBand, go over to the settings, advanced, and then Bluetooth MIDI devices. Choose it from the list and make sure that you are designating it as the input device. Once it is properly designated as the input device on your Mac or your iOS mobile device, you will now be able to use it. So you will be able to play and control instruments in GarageBand using the Bluetooth MIDI controller. Ensure that your MIDI device is transmitting using the corresponding and correct MIDI channel, and you will be able to adjust the setting on your MIDI device itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth MIDI to GarageBand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.